While I was doing these little things, I realized that there are so many IKEA products that I use in my house that maybe could benefit someone else too. The white finish and compact size of this watering can makes it ideal for care of houseplants or indoor plants. In a previous video, I showed you a handful of organizers that might be helpful around the house and in the kitchen. One such item is this wire or cord organizer. If you like home decor and want to make your space feel more cozy, pick up a few inexpensive cushion covers from IKEA. The smaller yellow cushions I borrowed from my mother's collection are brought together beautifully by the addition of these dark and light blue IKEA cushion covers. Blue seemed to be the theme going on in the entire house, and this thick tablecloth from IKEA sits perfectly well in it. Today I'm using this chopping board as a base for this dining table decor, but mind you, it has pretty good quality for actual chopping work. Although it's clear from previous videos that I enjoy burning incense sticks and candles, I was curious to test out the new experience of keeping this incense stick holder on the dining table. Do you have any thoughts?
Oh, the darkest of nights could never hide all my love for you. It's a flame that's burning bright, so much brighter every day. There's no one else that makes me feel quite like you do.
In a recent post, I discussed how sprinkling in activities you enjoy throughout routine housework is a great way to add variety to your day. Occasionally, sprucing up neglected spaces with fresh flowers is a quick and easy way to improve my mood and provide a welcome diversion from my work. Baskets are my best friends when it comes to organizing my home. Keeping washed clothes together that are yet to be folded can be done using them very easily. I found a large and small towel at IKEA that has the trending waffle pattern. I particularly like the light pastel colors they come in. Many of you have asked me about the red fake plant in my kitchen. It's a modest accessory, but I think it adds a touch of charm to my otherwise minimal kitchen decor. It's a small but cute addition, I feel. You can change up your decor and add splashes of color with such things. Oil dispensers are not a usual at IKEA, and I think this is one of their recent additions. I'm yet to use it properly and see if it is spill proof. Fingers crossed.
Lead me through the deep valleys, through the coldest of nights. Make the way clear and straight to the dawn's early light. Lead me to the
Putting plants in bright containers enhances their aesthetic value. I continually rearrange my plants in these lovely containers to find the optimum fit. I'm not afraid to spend money on plants because I know they can double as lovely decor.
It's a narrow road, but see your face once more. It's a long way home, but I've got to go.
Hubby got hungry while I was doing some random decorating work, so I stopped to whip up a tasty meal for him.
Of your faithfulness and love, to sing your praise all my days, and all my soul is not time enough. It's a narrow road, but I'm
Things started to become attractive in the lovely afternoon sunlight.
it's a long way home.
I decided to quickly whip up some chutney and make instant dosas or chilas. This chutney is healthy and nutritious, made with peanuts, onion and tomato. Cook them for a little bit and then grind them. He enjoys this specific chutney, so I always keep a pre-mix on hand to serve with it. This makes quick breakfast or even snacks possible.
To see your face once more. It's a long way home, but I've got to go. I want to see your face, my Lord.
If your mixture isn't spreading as easily as it should, try adding a bit of extra gram flour to the recipe. I simply add some salt and water to it, spread it out right away and drizzle on some ghee. These don't get overly browned. I continued with my work after the break, and here I am going to be showing you all some last and final things that I have from Ikea. This wooden organizer comes in a set of 2 and I not only use it in the washroom but also sometimes to organize things on my kitchen countertop. You can use these separately or together just like I did. I tried covering things for organizing to decor to even functional uses. Hope this video was helpful to you all. See you all next week.